Hi guys, welcome back to another update on the AI entrepreneurship journey. So this is my 8th month so far. And actually this month has been quite a good one. I would say it's one of the best months I've had so far in terms of all the progress I have made and all the connections as well as the projects that I've made. So let me just go through them one by one. So as I said before in my previous video, I'm working with SUT, my university right now. And they actually gave me a lot of opportunities to not only test my projects, develop my projects, as well as even present my projects to the relative personnel. So, for example, my AI sales agent is targeting the SME owners, and they give me an opportunity to present and say how it can help and benefit their company. So that went well. I created a few videos on the demonstrations of my AI sales agent, which I've actually improved with different features as of now. And I surprisingly received quite a lot of positive feedback from all these people. And some of them even asked whether I can incorporate my systems with them. So this is definitely such a really great opportunity for me. But at least for now, my main objective is to test my projects with my university so that whatever errors that I made, I can resolve them first before I push out my agents to the market. I learned a lot from this entire experience so far. At first, there's a concern that being an AI entrepreneur, you need to be able to have extensive coding experience. But from what I've seen and what I've presented to all these respective people, I realized nobody really cares whether your AI agent is hard coded or not. It may be even better to present it as a low code, no code system as is more user friendly, because I realize many people has a misconception that AI is very scary and very hard to implement and is very complicated. But in reality, I spent only like 2 to 3 months so far building my AI agents, and I received a lot of positive feedback on them because it actually helps and works in their entire workflow. So I realized it really is all about the selling part, and it's also about execution, but that execution part will be tested later on. But at least for the first breakthrough, to have my foot in the door, creating AI agents with using low code, no code platform will do the trick for you. So it's not even a problem. Now onto the specific projects that I've made. First is obviously my AI sales agent, which incorporates emails and sending cold emails, prospecting. So I break down into 3 different aspects of my agent. First is prospecting. Second is personalization, and third is outreach. So prospecting is all about lead generation and targeting people and retrieving their emails and phone numbers so that you can contact them. Then secondly is personalization. How you're gonna convince them and persuade them to open up the email, let's say, and also purchase or set an appointment with you. Then lastly is about outreach, is to automatically send, let's say, emails to all these individuals that you have already prospect. So everything will all be streamlined in this process, as well as will help you save a lot of time. So that's why I kind of presented to the SME owners a few days ago, and it went well. Now I'm just constantly improving the agent to, let's say, handle the errors if there's a bounce back in emails, to have a better calendar setting system, and also to track the metrics automatically. So I think there's another thing that I have created is a data analytics system. Tell me track all the metrics and also report back to me. So that is something really, really astonishing, I would say. So the other agents that I've created is actually got to do with helping my university. For example, using the same system about like the email marketing system for other departments. So I feel all these has so much potential. Not only the sales agent, which I'm also gonna keep on improving to have different mediums of outreach other than emails, and also different ways of doing prospecting and just improving the entire system overall. So yeah, it's been quite alright. I would say definitely there were ups and downs. At times I was thinking, man, I'm doing so much work all by myself. I'm a solo team. I don't have any teammates, so everything is done by me. And I spend hours in the day and days, even on weekends, to create all these projects and keep on improving them. And also doing the entire presentation and preparing all the videos by myself. So it's definitely quite a lot of things to do by myself, but it also is an exciting experience. So I would say definitely don't give up, because I am sure with this trajectory, I think I can go quite far. So I just need to keep my head down and keep grinding and keep working. One day I'll know that it'll all pay off. So I hope that day comes sooner or later. So yeah, that's all about what I've done this month so far. For next month, I would say is more about the execution bit. So now I've done the more of like the sales and marketing aspect. Now transitioning into the execution to actually see whether my AI agents can sustain for months and have a consistent output. So there's a challenge that I'll be facing for next month onwards. Yeah, so thank you all for listening to my update, and hope that next month will be a great month as well. See you.